Hello dear students, hope you all doing well, and in the today's lesson, the same from Scope student book, please take out your books. Scope 1 student book unit 8, page 72 and 73. If you remember, we studied page 72 and 73, but I gave you some homework, so we're gonna do it. And the lesson title is listening and vocabulary, the new lesson. We're gonna focus on these two. But before starting the new lesson, let's just review the words that's from the text we studied in the previous lesson. Overpopulation means when too many people live in one place. Please write down and practice with them. Skyscrapers means extremely tall buildings. Trend, a general change. And environmentally friendly means that it doesn't damage the conditions in which people, animals, and plants live. And number 5, renewable energy. Renewable energy means sources of energy that will always exist. Pollution, making the air, water, and etc. dirty and dangerous. And migrate means go and live and work in another place. And shortage, when there isn't enough of something. That's from page 73 through the text. But I said that we're gonna do this, and from page 72, just this exercise left, exercise 4, pronunciation, saying the dates, how to say the dates like that. If we see, just there are 3 points about the dates. The first one, years before 2000, and second, after 2000, and then number 3, after 2010. So just let's see how to say the dates. This one, if we see just 1990, 1990, it means we're going to say it like that. Then this one, 1801, 1801. It means instead of 0, we say O, 1801, 1801. This is the first one, years before 2000. And the second, after 2000, 2000, we just say 2000, 2000. And then this one, how do you say? 2009, which we use and 2009, 2009. We're gonna say like that. Number 3, after 2010, after 2010, how do you say? 2010. We can say 2010, 2010, or 2010, because there are 2 ways to say this: 2010 or 2010, 2010. Just let's go to the next slide. Like we explained this, and exercise 4, study the note on pronunciation and how do you say these years. Listen and check. But before listening, just how do you say? 1872, the first one. Number 2, 1901, 1901. We say years before 2000. And 1996, 1996, then 2001, 2001. Number 5, we can say there are 2 ways: 2015 or 2015. And this one, 2030, 2030. And let's listen now.
Track 16, Pronunciation, page 72, exercise 4. 1. 1872. 2. 1901. 3. 1996. 4. 2001. 5. 2015. 6. 2030.
Okay, as we heard, and from page 72, that I said just this one left. And now these are your homeworks. Please write down in your notebook and try to write in words. I mean, what is this? How to say this date, and how to say this, and this, and this. It will be your homework and practice. And now let's start the new lesson. That's vocabulary from page 74. Page 74. Please open your book, page 74. In towns and cities. In towns and cities. There are some words. Let's know the meaning. A high-rise building. What does high-rise building mean? High-rise building means just like skyscrapers, means tall building. Let's see. This is high-rise building. High-rise building means a tall building like skyscrapers. Then pedestrian crossing. Pedestrian crossing. What does pedestrian crossing mean? Let's see the picture. Look at this. This is the road. Pedestrian crossing is the road to walk on foot. This one, it is called pedestrian crossing. That's black and white. Number 3, petrol station. Petrol station. What does petrol station mean? Petrol station is a place that when cars get petrol there. Petrol station. And then retail park. Retail park. What does retail park mean? Let's see. Retail park. These are retail park. It's an area, a shopping area, and a shopping area that contains many different kinds of stores. Look at, if we just see, there are some stores here like shopping, but usually at the edge of towns or cities that they want to get something. Retail park, that they want to buy something here. These are high-rise building and pedestrian crossing, petrol station, retail park. This. And the continuation, what does main road? Main road, this is the main road. This is the main road. Look at main road. Then the next one, traffic lights. Traffic lights, if you see this small, stop. Red means stop, and yellow means wait, and green means go. Traffic lights, let's see traffic lights, we know all. And the next one is green space. Green space, let's see. This is the green space. When there is something green, some plants and some flowers, is called green space. Green space. And then multi-story car park. Multi-story car park, just let's see. Look at this building. There are some places. Story means level, means the floor of car park, like to the cars parking. Car parking here. Multi-story car park. In some countries like that. And just like in Tabla Mall, I think there is multi-story car park like that. And let's go to the next page. In towns and cities, write down like that, please, in your notebook, page 74. High-rise building and pedestrian crossing, and try to continue this because I already explained. Write down like that. And your homework workbook, page 63, exercise 1 and 2. It is about the new words. And that's done. Thank you. We're going to continue in the next lesson, in the next part of the video.